Hello children, how are you? This is the next lesson, mangoes round the year. Okay, in the last class we learned about super senses, snake charmers. So this is the third lesson, fourth lesson, mangoes round the year. Okay, so let's see what's the lesson. See here, Neetu, Aman, Preeti. Okay, these three are best friends. Okay, children. Okay. Next, here they are discussing each other. Like you. You also discussing like this now in lunch time? How you are discussing? My mother give me potato fry, biryani, pulhara, such that you are discussing with your friends now. So like this, here Neetu, Aman and Preeti. They are discussing each other. How? See here, Neetu. Wow, Aman's lunchbox has sweet puris. Okay, here Aman says, hey, today Neetu has brought potato sabji. Okay, they are discussing like this. Then Preeti, I have got bindi. That means lady's finger. Okay, so they are exciting like that. You also like some food items now, like potato fry, biryani, pulhara, such kind of food items. So like you, they are also excited. Okay, so when they are opening their lunch box, here see Aman. Oh, Neetu, I think your potato sabji is spoiled. He is saying like that. Then Preeti said, what she said? Don't eat that. You may fall sick. Here you take some bindi. Okay. So both are worrying about their friend Neetu. Okay, children. Okay. Then what happened? How he recognized her food was spoiled. Okay. Then what happened? How he recognized? See here in page 35. Some questions are given in your textbook. Once read those questions and answer it. Okay. How did Aman know that potato sabji had got spoiled? Okay, definitely we know. Because the sabji was smelling very bad. Sometimes we also find out some bad smell from food items. Okay, then automatically we know the food item was spoiled. And others, that means our family members said don't eat that food item. Okay, they are telling like that. Why they are telling like that? That means if we have to eat such kind of food items, definitely we fall ill. That means we get some diseases. Okay, so like that, here Preeti also said like that. Second one, have you ever seen some food that has got spoiled? How did you know that it was spoiled? Do you know? Do you recognize the spoiled food item? Yes. So by its smell, we definitely recognize it was spoiled. Okay, and also its color. That means black color or green color. The food turned into blue or black or green color. That's why we have to notice that food item was spoiled. Okay, so then third one, Preeti told to Neetu not to eat the potato sabji. What would happen if she had eaten it? What happened? So the answer is, if Neetu had eaten the spoiled potato sabji, then she might have fallen sick. Okay, so not only Neetu, we also, when we eat any spoiled food item. Okay, so how can we recognize? By its smell and color. What happened? Definitely we fall ill. That means we get diseases, stomach pain, cold, fever, such kind of. That means intestinal infections. Okay, children. Okay. So here, how do we know the food is spoiled? This question you have to note down in your CW. Okay, so how could we know? The food starts to smell bad, bad smell. Okay, so the color of the food changes. Okay, ma. Next, we can also see some thread-like structures over the food. Okay, that means thread-like means hair-like structures. Okay, next one, we can see white, green or black spots on the food items. Okay, you have to note down this question in your CW. See here, how can we recognize? Here see some black spots. See here green, black and hair-like growths, hair-like structures. Okay, so by this we have to notice this food item was spoiled. Okay, what happened? If we eat such kind of food items, we get some diseases. Okay, ma'am. Okay, this is bread, tomato and food items, that means curry, vegetables, fruits, non-veg, any food item. Okay, so how it was spoiled? What was the reason? When it was exposed to air. Okay, when we leave it outside without any covering, then the food was automatically spoiled. Okay, ma? Okay, next in page 36. Okay, note down these questions. Look in your kitchen and write down the names of food items. Okay, so can get spoiled in 2 to 3 days. Okay, what kind of food items were spoiled in 2 to 3 days? Milk, cooked dal, rice. Cooked dal means pappu. Okay, milk. Okay, when we leave it outside means then definitely it was spoiled. How? Your mother telling paalu virigiponi, like that. Okay, so that means the food items was spoiled. Okay, next one, can be kept for a week. That means the food item was spoiled in 1 week. That means potato, onion and tomato. Okay, potatoes, some bud like structures come from its outside, and onions also. Okay, tomatoes, see here in the last picture I will show you now tomato. Okay, how it was spoiled? So white color patches, hair like structures, and it gives bad smell. Okay, ma? Okay, next, would not spoil till 1 month. Okay, salt, sugar and oil. Okay, next, will your list be the same in all seasons? What would change? Okay, no, the list will change in different seasons. During summer season, food items spoil faster than winter season. Okay, why? Why? Because in summer season the climate is too hot. Okay, so because of high temperature the food items was spoiled quickly. Okay, like milk, cooked dal, rice, such kind of food items will spoil early when compared to winter season. Okay, okay children. Next, when food gets spoiled in your house, what do you do with it? What you have to do? When food gets spoiled in our house, we throw it into the dustbin. Will you do like that? Yes, everyone do like this only. Okay, if any food item was spoiled means then we have to throw it outside. Okay, ma? Next, here the next one, busy return the bread. Okay, so why? What happened here? See here, Aman's Biggie went to the market to buy bread. The shop was very crowded. The shopkeeper picked up a packet of bread and gave it to the BG. Okay, she looked at it and returned it immediately. What happened here? He went to the market to buy a bread. Okay, here the shop was very crowded. Okay, what happened? The shopkeeper picked up a packet of bread and give it to him. Okay, then what he did? Here, looked it and returned it immediately. Okay, why? Because what happened here? Okay, next, look at the picture of bread packet here and guess why Biggie returned it. How did she find that the bread had got spoiled? See this picture here. So here we have some patches, that means black spots on the bread packet, that means inside the bread. Then what happened? Why she returned it? That means Biggie may have found that the expiry date of the bread had lapsed and also observed black spots on the bread. That means here the bread was spoiled. That's why she returned to the shopkeeper. Okay, so we also notice such kind of indications when we buy anything, not only bread, biscuit packets, medicines, dal packets, oils, any packet. When we, before taking it, we notice the manufactured date, that means expiry date, MFD date and quality of the food. Okay, see in the next picture. See here. So this is the date, manufacture date. Okay, so we have to observe everything, manufacture date, quantity, quality and such kind of information we have to notice and we have to return it. Okay ma. So that's why Biggie returned the food packet, that means bread packet. Okay, next page 36, find out. So what was the question? Look carefully at 2 or 3 packets of food items, any food items. Okay, what can we know from what is written on the packet? What we know? The following particulars can be known from what is written on the packet. What kind of particulars we have to notice? We have to observe it. That means first price, that means cost of the packet or food. Next manufacturing date, అంటే ఎప్పుడు తయారైంది. Okay, next one expiry date. Okay, for this we have to notice best before 6 months, 12 months or 1.5 year. So like that we have to notice on the packet. And the another one weight, that means quantity, half kg, 1 kilo, 250 grams, 200 grams, that is weight. Okay, next one ingredients. Ingredients means what kind of nutrients. Okay, so all these particulars we have to observe on the packet. Okay ma. Next, when you buy anything from the market, what do you look for on the packet? Definitely we observe. When we buy anything from the market, we check out its price, date of manufacturing and expiry date, weight, ingredients, brand. So such kind of information or such kind of particulars we have to observe. Okay, we have to follow these. Okay, so if we couldn't notice such kind of particulars means, so what happened? See here, everyone check the labels, that means information on the packets. Okay, see here, first one weight. Okay, 500 grams. MRP means price. Next manufacturing date. Okay, that means ఎప్పుడు తయారై. Okay ma. Next expiry date. Okay, so such kind of particulars you have to notice. Not only oils, cool drinks, dals, So we have to observe everything on the food items. You see here medicines. Medicines also have such kind of particulars. Okay, ma'am. Next, how does food gets spoiled? First we know what is spoilage. Spoilage means the condition when our food becomes unfit for our consumption. Consumption means to eat. Okay, the condition when our food becomes unfit for our consumption is called spoilage. Okay, ma'am. That means that is not good to eat. Okay, simply we are saying like that. Okay, food gets spoiled because of the growth of microorganisms in it. So microorganisms means what? Bacteria, virus, fungi, such kind of organisms. We call it as microorganisms. Micro means small. Okay, so we couldn't see such kind of organisms with our eyes. That's why we are calling as microorganisms. How it was spoiled? Presence of air. That means the food item was exposed to air. Okay, then automatically it was spoiled. Why? Because microorganisms are present in the air. Okay, and the another one, presence of moisture. Moisture means wet, water, tadiga undadam. Okay, so for example, bread, fruits, orange, banana, grapes, idli, chapati, dosa, such kind of food items. Okay, chutneys, curries, when we leave it outside means definitely it was spoiled. Okay, so in the air and also in water, microorganisms are present. Okay, so they attack on food items and then it was spoiled. Okay, ma'am. Next, page 37. Okay, so find out the reason for these changes. From where did the fungus come on the bread? Okay, next, different kinds of food items spoil due to different reasons. Some foods spoil soon, some stay good for long. Okay, next, list some seasons and conditions in which food spoils quickly. Okay, so for this we have an activity. Okay, in page number 37, that is bread. Okay, how can we do the activity? Take a bread slice and sprinkle some water and keep aside. After 4 or 5 days, we have to notice some black spots and hair-like structures on the bread packet. Not only bread, food items, idli, dosa, curries, any item. Okay, that means microorganisms spoil the food item. Okay, children? Okay, but all food items could not spoil at the same time. Okay, some foods spoil soon. త్వరగా spoil అవుతాయి. Some stay good for long. That means 1 week, 1 month, like that. Okay, so here the answer is the food spoils quickly in summer and rainy seasons. Tiny spores of fungus keep floating in the air. They start growing on the surface of the bread as they get favorable conditions of dark and moisture. So what happened? So where is the microorganisms? They are in the air. That means they are floating in the air. They are waiting for favorable conditions. What kind of favorable conditions? Favorable conditions means dark and moisture. Okay, so when they get the favorable conditions, they attack on food items. Then it was spoiled. Okay, see here first one, if cooked food is kept in open, cooked food, dal, curries, rice, such kind of cooked food, when we leave it outside means, so then it was exposed to air. That's why microorganisms spoil the food item. Okay, children. Next one, if milk is not boiled properly, okay, what happened? Then automatically it turned like curd. That means small bubble like structures are also come from the milk. Your mother says like that, paal virigiponi, they are telling like that. That means if milk is not boiled properly, that means the milk was spoiled. And next one, if pickles are not protected against moisture. Pickles means pachadlu. Okay, avakai, magai, such kind of pickles. Okay, before storing these pickles, we have to clean the vessels properly, and we have to these vessels in sun. Okay, that means sun dried. Okay, when we expose it to sun, then moisture will come out. Okay, then we don't have any microorganisms in the jars. Okay, so if pickles are not protected against moisture, then what happened? Automatically pickles were spoiled. Okay, ma'am. Next, see page number 38. The question is, given below are some food items and some simple methods by which these could be kept fresh for 1 or 2 days. Match the correct pairs. Okay, so now only we are discussing about these items. Okay, within 2 or 2 days, 1 week and 1 month. Okay, ma, you have to match these. Here the first column is food items. What kind of food items? First one, milk. Second one, cooked rice. Third one, green coriander. Green coriander means kottimira. Okay, next fourth one, onion, garlic. Okay, you have to match these food items with method. Okay, first one, boil it. Okay, next, put in a bowl and keep the bowl in a container with some water. Okay, third one, wrap in a damp cloth. Okay, so keep it in a dry open place. Okay, ma'am, these are the methods. So if you couldn't boil the water properly means boil the milk means, then automatically the milk was spoiled. Okay, then cooked rice, green coriander, wrap in a damp cloth ante tadi cloth. Coriander means kottimira. Okay, garlic means vellulli payalu. Okay, so we have to store like such kind of methods. Okay, ma'am. Next, see here, what is food preservation? Preservation means storage. The method by which we can prevent the food from getting spoiled, that is called preservation. So here we have some preserving methods. We have to learn these in your higher classes. Just what kind of methods we have to follow, just listen. Okay, first one, freezing. Second one, adding sugar. Third one, drying. Fourth, adding preservatives. Next, salting. Next, smoking food. Next, canning. Okay, ma, freezing, that means fridge. Some food items we have to keep it in fridge, fruits, vegetables. Okay, adding sugar, some sauce, jam. So for that we have to add sugar and preservatives also, that means chemicals. Okay, drying, for example pickles, avakai, magai, such kind of food items. Before process we have to drying these items. And next one, salting, that means some non-veg items. Okay, next, smoking food, expose it to smoke, and canning. Okay, ma, so these are the methods. Okay, so note down this question in your CW. Okay, ma, thank you.